African queen, there she comes with a boat on her head. And there you come with a boat on your head. There's one thing you should know, it's great to have you by my side. Yeah, Kukon, Dios Antuilo, Kukon, Dios Anyemba, Kukon, Dios Antuilo, Kukon.
When it tule kulaka, fishi mwa shoka, teshu komando mwa shota, isila ni ukungo kwa mwa shoka. When it tule kulaka, katushe foba shetas, na mpodi momano ya tepa, petefia mbabonse tula pepa, shiba tukatule kulaka.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kahalu, also known as K Bear, also known as K. So this video I've created today is not about cooking, but it's simply about me introducing myself to you. So I'm gonna do the Zambian tag, and in this tag I'll ask a series of questions about myself and I'll answer them. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you for watching. So the first question is, what is your Zambian name? My full Zambian names are Kahalu Mwendalubi Kavuma. Kahalu is from Northwestern, Mwendalubi Southern, and Kavuma Northwestern. Were you born in Zambia? Very much so. I was born in Lusaka, Zambia, and I was born at the UTH hospital. What is your favorite song? That song you heard, Tulea Tule Kula by Chef White 87, that is my song at the moment. I listen to a lot of gospel music, but after just listening to that song, I was like, I love this song, I'm in love, and I've been singing that song. I don't know the lyrics that well first. I'm trying to learn, but that's my jam for now. And what's your favorite Zambian food? Shima. You know, you ask a Zambian, what's your favorite food? They'll say shima. And that's Zambian. Shima with fish or kapenta, that's my go-to. I don't like fresh kapenta, but just dry kapenta, dry fish, fresh fish, I'll eat that every day. So that's my favorite Zambian food. And when was the last time you were in Zambia, and how many times have you been to Zambia? The last time I was in Zambia was last year, and I've been to Zambia 3 times. I came to Canada in 2005 when I was in grade 10, and since then I was there in Zambia in 2009, 2015, and last year. And the next question is, what tribe are you? I already told you guys, my dad is from Northwestern, my mom is Southern, and I consider myself half-half. So I consider being half Luvale and half Tonga. I know in Zambia we take your dad's side, so I guess in Zambia, as a Zambian, I am Luvale. But personally, me, I am Zambian, I am Luvale, and I'm also Tonga. And say something in your tribal language. So in Tonga, to say thank you, you say ndalumba. To say hi, it's to say wamba or ulibuti or mulibuti. And in Luvale, I don't really speak the language because my dad did not teach us that language. He mainly spoke English or Chinyanja with us. But with my relatives and my cousins who used to visit, I kind of like learned a little bit and understood. So I can't speak it, but I do understand. To say hi in Luvale or Chikaluvale is to say ulingachili or mulingachili. And the next question is, do you have any Zambian nicknames? No, I don't have any Zambian nicknames. And the other question is, what do you like most about Zambia? What I like most about Zambia is the fact that we have peace, and also the fact that we're a Christian nation. Guys, living in this country has opened my eyes. There's so many people. I have friends who've come from Congo, like friends from Lebanon. Those friends of mine don't have family. So us being peaceful and sleeping at night, waking up, believe me, we're a blessed nation, and for that I'm very proud to be Zambian. Not everyone has peace. People who come here, most of them, they come here because they had no other choice. Other than that, they would love to stay back home, but because there's conflicts, there's war, there's this and that, they can't. So I love being Zambian, and I love Zambia's fact that we are a peaceful and a Christian nation. And what do you hate the most about Zambia? Okay, this question, like, I wouldn't say I hate the country Zambia. I love Zambia. Everything is fine. The only problem is the people of Zambia. I know some people would not agree with me, but for those who do, and I'm gonna give you my reasons anyways. So the reason why I have a problem with some Zambians is that, especially now, Zambians with internet have become mean. They are so full of negativity. If you go on Facebook, you join like any group, any Zambian group that you join, read the comments and you know what I mean. People are full of negative energy. People can finish you. Like, Zambians are finishing people. They are not nice on social media. I know in person most of them are nice, but on social media they've become these people. I have no idea. They don't even resemble a Christian anymore, because what they say does not reflect what our culture is. So someone will ask a question, oh, I'm from this country, you people always say this word, what does it mean? And you see people saying mean stuff, some people insulting, or it means this, instead of just simply giving the person what that word means, instead of just saying, okay, it means hi. But people say all sorts of things, insults. And also the fact that if someone just, like, for example, there was an issue of some lady whose videos leaked, and she said she wanted to commit suicide because a lot of people threw stones at her. They said they finished her. They finished her. So this girl said, I'm gonna commit suicide. And guess what? Some people went ahead and wrote, it's fine, you can kill yourself, no one cares. Like, as a Christian, as Zambians, what's going on with us? I don't understand. So that's one thing I do not like about Zambian people. The other thing is the fact that when you visit Zambia, the Caponias, I know it happens in Zambia as well, how they disrespect women is very unacceptable. I went to Zambia and a Caponia touched me, and you know, to people they'll laugh, oh, that's how they are. No, that's not how they are. That's not how they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be nice to you. So of course they're funny with stuff they say, but when they touch you, that's a different level. And I feel like the government maybe should look into that, because it's really, really unacceptable to just grab on especially women. We are the ones who are vulnerable. We are the ones who go through that. Guys don't really go through that. You'll be walking on your own, minding your own business, then a Caponia will just touch you, or he will say something which is bad. So that's one thing I don't like about Zambia. But other than that, the country itself is a beautiful country, and I'm proud to be Zambian. And the other question is, what makes you different from other Zambians? What makes me different from other Zambians is the fact that I'm a twin, the fact that I love spicy food, the fact that I love adding spices to my food, and the fact that I'm unique. Yeah, I know most Zambians don't love spicy food. Not all Zambians are twins, but to me, that's what identifies me as a unique Zambian from the rest of Zambians. And do you speak Pidgin English? I do understand. I speak a little bit. I'm not gonna say anything, but I speak a little bit because I watch a lot of Nigerian movies, and I have a lot of Nigerian friends. So whenever I'm around them, we'll speak, and I'll kind of like pick up 1 or 2, 3 things, and that makes me say that I qualify for this question just a little bit. And what around your house represents your culture? I have a Zambian flag in my house, a little Zambian flag I got from the embassy. And I also have iminko, I have Zambian food, I have ifitenge. I speak my language. So that's in my house, represents my culture. When I'm in the house, believe me, if my sister is here, it's Tonga. There's no English, whatever. Only with my husband I speak English, because he's not African, he's Canadian, so we don't speak he doesn't speak Zambian language. The only thing he can say in Zambian language is Mawan, Ea, and what else? Ati. Those are the only words he can speak, or he can say. And what ridiculous questions were you asked about your culture? when I just came to Canada, I remember there was this guy who was in my class. He didn't understand, like, you know, here they usually show World Vision, they show poor kids. There was also this documentary they shot in Solwezi. Was it Solwezi or in Mongo about HIV? So those are the things they show on TV, and people don't understand. They think what they see on TV is exactly how it is in Africa. So he asked me a question: if we have malls in Africa. He asked if we have houses in Africa. He asked if we have pet lions. He also asked if Zambia was in South Africa. So to me, that was a stupid question, because when we learn about like geography in Zambia, they teach us world geography. You know where this country is, you know the continents and all that. But for here, they just know North American history, and they only know World War I and II. That's all. They don't know, maybe a little bit of Europe, so, or European history. That's it. Africa, they don't know. On TV, all they show about Africa is us suffering. All they show in Africa is us asking for clothes. Believe me, it's all donation. Donate this. African children are dying. In Africa, there's dirty water. In Africa, this and that. That's the only like thing they portray about Africa. So to me, those are the ridiculous questions they asked. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have gotten to know me a little bit. I'm gonna post more videos for you guys so that you can also learn to cook some of the meals that I love to eat from Zambia. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, or if there's any other thing that you'd like me to say or you want to know about me, just send me a message, or you can comment below. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.